Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical. While you take a look at this pimple popping footage, please click subscribe. Also, click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can see our latest age-restricted videos. Today's topic is senile comedones. But before we talk about that, can you identify what this mystery condition is? We'll have the answer at the end of the video. Now let's talk about solar comedones. A solar or senile comedo is a small skin-colored papule found on the face of a middle-aged or older person. Solar comedones affect areas that have been exposed to sunlight over a long period of time. The comedones may be open in the form of blackheads or closed. They do not usually become inflamed. Manual extraction is possible but difficult with bare hands. The comedones are hard, deeply rooted, and painful to extract. Removal is best with a comedone extractor. We'll put a link to the best ones on Amazon in the link below. Before we continue, let's go back to our mystery diagnosis. This is a patient who's been diagnosed with stage 1 breast cancer and has almost completed a round of chemotherapy with a drug called Taxol. One of the side effects of the drug is discoloration of the nails and fluid or pus accumulation under the nails. Here, she's draining the pus from beneath the nail. She has also been placed on antibiotics. One way to help prevent senile comedones is with a blackhead mask, like this. Some people say the peel can pinch the skin a little, but the long-term smoothing effects make a real difference. Again, I'll put a link to my favorite in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and please click that bell for updates and subscribe for new videos every single week. Adios. Hey folks, if you're looking for a great gift, try an activated charcoal blackhead peel mask. They're fun to peel off and to watch in action. They're great for cleaning out pores and removing blackheads and dead skin. And they leave your skin feeling smooth for up to a couple weeks. So check out the link below to get one for your friends, family, loved ones, or yourself. Thanks for watching.